Hi. Oh my god. Welcome back to my channel. Today, wait, before I get into the video, let me tell y'all. First, you gotta excuse how I look for one. We're gonna make that first and foremost. My lips, blue, just got done eating popsicles, you feel me? Hot day, it's hot out here. I'm in Florida. My hair, it looks a mess. I just took some braids out. I was cute with my braids. I might insert my picture again.
Really good to me, but
and I took the braids out yesterday, but I'm just now washing my hair. As you can see, it looks like who did it and why. I'm not gonna show y'all the wash day video. If y'all want to see wash day video, it's my first video ever. So boom, go backtrack like that. So I'm gonna actually wash my hair. Now that I get done washing it, conditioning it, all that. Basically what I did in my previous video, and do that all over again. This time y'all won't see that. Y'all just gonna see the twist out video, me twisting it up. And then I might come back in a couple of days and do me taking the twist out. You know, we're gonna make it fun. We're gonna make my channel fun. And what I further do, you know, we're gonna make it fun. So while my hair is deep conditioning, before I give y'all the whole twist out and all that voodoo, I just want to let y'all know the video, my previous video, I recorded that about a whole month ago. I just now edited it today because I'm lazy. But I'm trying to do good. I'm trying to give myself at least 2 or 3 videos to put out a week. Keep myself on a schedule. We're gonna do it this time around. So after I wash the conditioner and all that good stuff off, I put on my leave-in conditioner. This, I don't wash it off. I don't do none of that. I leave it in. All right, towel gotta go. After I detangled all that, conditioned it, all that good stuff, I divided it into sections. Yeah. I'm looking into this mirror trying to do it, so. Gotta excuse me. All right. First section done. All right. I don't see. Hold it together like this. Honestly, I don't feel like going to get one. This one will hold it together. It'll be all right. So now, after you section the hair, that's it for this part. Now I'm back in the next part. I use my Curl Boss. I apply a little bit of this on there, on the section. Really get all up in there. Give y'all an example. Hair. I started off as a braid. I give it a good 2 times. And then the hair, split it down the middle, twist. Done basically. And I'm gonna come back when I'm done with this section. So y'all, I did 25% of my hair. Boom. And I'm tired. You know, eat some cereal. Start back at it. Start back at it. Okay. Boom. Bam. Okay, what's good? What's really good? Yeah, get into it. I'm gonna leave like this for a couple of days. And when I do take them out, I'm gonna do a whole little video how I style my hair after my little twist outs. I usually leave them in for about a week, do my little video. I usually normally style them because I don't like looking like this. I like a little boy. I'm gonna insert pictures of how I look when I do style them because I make them look, yeah, not like, yeah, feel me? This wild hair growth, the truth. You basically just rub it in. On the bottle, it says use it 2 or 3 times a week. Me, I be forgetting I have wild hair growth. I only really use it if I have braids, something like that. Or if my hair is in a protected style. I don't normally just use it just to use it. Well, adding the wild hair growth on is the official finished touch, unless I want to style it. Boom, bam, that's how it's done. That's the end.